So I ordered this tip up off Amazon. It's really funky. Like this is supposed to sit in the hole, and then this is supposed to fold up, and the spool is supposed to be on top of here like this, and you can see right there that it's broken off. And here is the piece that's supposed to hold it on there, and then it's supposed to spin in a circle. But anyways, this is only like $8, but it came and it was broken. So now I'm not gonna have a tip up to fish with. It's so sad, but I guess that's what you get for ordering $8 things.
So this tip up, I have some like really lightweight that's like braided line that's my tip up line, and then I have some 20-pound mono that's tied up to the tip up line, and then I have a split shot about a foot above on the 20-pound mono and the size 10 treble hook on here, and I had a fat head minnow hooked through the back, and I'm using my Vexlar to set my tip up, and I'm setting my tip up about so the minnow is about a foot off bottom. You also can do the same thing by using a depth weight, but I forgot to bring a depth weight with me this day, so I was just using my Vexlar, and I was fishing on an 18-foot basin in a lake. And as you can tell from watching me set this flag, that this tip up is very fussy to set and very difficult to stay set, and it looks really funny. And to actually get it to work, I end up using crazy glue and putting a piece of wire through it to reinforce it. And it worked good enough to catch me 3 fish. As you can see as this video goes on, my difficult with me setting it, you kind of just like slide the flag into the side of it and just hope it stays down and gets so it sets lightly. And which is really tricky, as you can see here. And I had left this set for about an hour, like this, and then I was fishing for a while, and then I went back and checked it, and it was robbed, so I reset it to the same depth that it was set at and put another minnow on it, and then it worked eventually.
It's a recording right now. So we want to get a fish on the crappiest hook ever. We got a fish on it. Its head shaking. Live to one light. On the crappiest tip up ever.
So this is the Dioche ice fishing tip up. It comes like this and it like slides like this and it doesn't stay set, as you can tell here. And it's made of very cheap plastic. And like when it does set, it like sets really tight. And it's kind of inconsistent with how it goes off. And when I've been fishing, it has went off on me 2 times, but I've caught 3 fish on it going off 2 times and gotten robbed like 4 times. So this day I caught the first fish I caught on it, which I accidentally deleted the video. I caught a perch on it, which I actually caught as I was setting it. On that video where I had that first sight perch and you just set it right back here like this. That's probably about best. Then you pull on it and it doesn't always chip like you can see here. And then the next time I went out ice fishing and used it, I caught the walleye I have on video. Then after dark, when I pulled my tip ups in, I had a 16-inch walleye on this tip up. So anyways, it catches fish. I'm gonna give it a 1 out of 5 due to quality issues and it inconsistently setting off. But I bought it when I wasn't drinking for like $7, and it caught 3 fish. So I would consider that a success, although it is definitely a pile of junk. And that's about what I have to say about it. And I better share it to my Amazon. And what does it have for a price? It has $9.99 now. I thought I paid less than that, but it's definitely not worth $9.99. That'll be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and consider subscribing if you like my content.